This video will show you how to set up the Freedom Solar Skedulo account and the app on your smartphone. Skedulo is built on the Salesforce platform, so you will need an email from support@salesforce.com titled Welcome to Salesforce, verify your account. Open up the email, then click Verify Account. In the Change Your Password page, your new password needs to be at least 8 characters, including 1 letter and 1 number. Be sure to make note of your password for future reference. Select a security question. Click the Change Password button. Now your password has been set up. Next, you'll want to set up your Skedulo app on your smartphone. You should have received an email from David or Marcos titled Skedulo EC Setup with further instructions on setting up and using Skedulo. In the email, there are links to the smartphone app for the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Alternatively, you can also open up the Google Play Store or the App Store and search for Skedulo. Then you'll want to go ahead and install Skedulo. Before setting up the Skedulo app, check to see if you have the Salesforce app installed on your phone. If you do, make sure to log out of the account in the Salesforce app or just delete it since you won't be using it at Freedom Solar. Next, you'll want to open Skedulo. Select Allow while using app. If you select Allow once, you'll be asked every time you open the app. Tap Allow to let Skedulo send you notifications. Tap Login with Salesforce. Enter your email and the password you created in the previous steps. Tap Login. Tap Allow to let Skedulo send you notifications. The default page is your agenda for today. You can change it to week or month. To view details of an appointment, tap the appointment to open it. You can see the appointment details like address, start and end time. You can tap Start Travel to open up your navigation app, or tap Actions to add completion notes. You can also scroll down to see client details like email, phone number, Project Sunrise ID, and a link to the Sunrise project page. Thanks for watching.